The economy. Now, that's a word that carries a lot of weight. For some, it refers to humanity's most complicated and widespread invention. Others recall memories of hard times brought about by crashes. To the Process Automation Lab at UMass Amherst, it's a system that has yet to be understood. I'm Joseph Howard, and I'm a mechanical engineering student in that lab. What's an engineer doing in the realm of economics? Well, let's start with some background. The Federal Open Market Committee, or the FOMC, sets the Federal Reserve's bank interest rate to stabilize the economy based on discretion rather than an announced rule. Economists believe that the economy is a predictable system, so they've developed models to predict the future that depend on interest rate decision. Unfortunately, the FOMC's discretion makes it difficult to fully predict the economic response. We think the solution comes from rockets. Well, not the rockets themselves, but the processes that keep them stable by mimicking human intervention. In engineering, we call this feedback control. It forms a vital component of systems everywhere, systems as exotic as maneuvering supersonic jet fighters, or as ordinary as thermostats in your oven. How powerful is it, you ask? Well, take the helicopter. It's inherently unstable, but with a creatively designed feedback controller, it's now the vehicle of choice for medical evacuations. Feedback control can even be applied to things outside of engineering. Research at the University of Southern California is using control theory to create better treatments for neurological diseases like PTSD. Control theory can be applied to literally anything, with enough data to create a predictive mathematical model. So the question arose, can we use control theory to understand how the U.S. Federal Reserve Bank stabilizes the economy? And more specifically, can we create a set of equations to define interest rate using measurements of the economy? Well, we have the tools to find out, and we're ready to try them.